This is Wade from Ford AC and from Las Vegas, Nevada. I get the question about how do I know if my compressor is locked up? Well, if your belt is squealing and making a lot of noise, something under your engine compartment is locked up. Usually, if it's squealing, the alternator will not be locked up. It will just make a honing noise. When a compressor locks up, it causes the belt to break because of all the friction, and then you were stuck on the side of the road. So if your compressor is locked up, don't keep driving it, because you need to go ahead and pull over and get it fixed. If you do need help, just please give me a call. My name is Wade, 274-9472, and I'm based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you.